I have a question for you. Would you love to be able to draw? Well, you can, and I'm going to teach you how. My name is Johanna Basford. I've sold over 21 million adult colouring books worldwide. I've created artwork for clients like the New York Times, Starbucks and Nike, but I have a huge secret that I need to share with you. I'm not that great at drawing. Now, all you cynical lot rolling your eyes, stick with me, because what I have to say might just change your life. I was never the best at drawing in my class, and I went to a tiny school. But over the years, I figured out a system that let me make artwork in demand by clients all over the world. It's a hack, a secret way of drawing that is learnable, and I'm going to share that system and my methods with you. Why? Because drawing makes me happy, and I know it can make you happy too. Lots of clever people agree there's a link between creativity and happiness. But for some reason, as we grow older, we stop creating and in turn lose out on this crucial tool for happiness. So my job is to give you the tricks and tips that you need to get drawing again. Now I know what some of you are thinking. I can't draw. I can't even draw a stick man. And here's what I have to say to you. Can you write? Yes? Well then, you can draw. My kind of drawing, like handwriting, is a system. You learned a step-by-step process and then you practiced. My method of drawing is exactly the same. And by the way, lots of great artists have messy handwriting, so don't let that be your excuse. What have you got to lose? Trust the system, give it a go, and you might just surprise yourself. Curious? Try this quick little tutorial. Using a pencil, begin by drawing a small circle with a larger circle around it. Imagine the big circle is a clock face. Now draw a long skinny petal at 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock, then 9 and 3. Your circle should now be split into quarters. Next, draw 2 petals in each gap. Now we'll draw 5 large petals around the outside. Roughly split the petal circle into 5 equal-sized chunks. Now draw a large, slightly wobbly petal in each section. Grab a pen and go over your lines, adding details. When the ink is dry, erase your pencil lines. So how'd you get on? A bit wobbly? Odd-shaped petals? That's okay. This is art, not perfection. The important thing is you did it. You were bold and courageous and you put pen to paper and made your mark. You started, and starting is the hardest bit. I have a little request. Keep practicing. Drawing is a skill. The more you practice, the easier it gets. So why not give it a go? Draw a flower, then share it with #HowToDraw so I can find it and give you a high five. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to develop this single bloom into a really sweet little flower and leaf combination. Any questions? Ask me in a comment below and I'll get back to you. Good luck, folks. Let's fill this world with happy artists.